are discussing about how to use the putchar function in the C. Putchar, as the name suggests, it can print one character on the console window. Here I am taking a character variable A, char A, and I am giving the chance to the user to enter the first letter of his name. The first letter entered by the user is stored in the variable A, and I am printing the letter you entered is, and then that letter is stored in A, that letter will be printed with the help of the putchar. We will execute this program. Enter the first letter of your name. I am entering Y. So the letter you entered is Y. If we experiment, the same thing we did in the last program. If I am trying to give the two letters, then the getchar only accepts one letter, and the only one letter will be printed by using the putchar. So the putchar is a string writing function. Whenever we want to print or write the string on the console window, whenever we want to print one character, we cannot print the entire string. When we want to print a particular character, one character, then we are using the putchar.